The biggest anti-pattern that most Scrum Masters fall into is not asking your team directly. I have noticed that when Scrum Masters encounter issues within their team, they are fond of running external to the team, helter-skelter looking for answers and all of that. But I can tell you, at least 80% of the solution you're looking for lies within your team. Therefore, I encourage you to trust your team at first sight. These developers, I can tell you that they are smart. They are very smart. So when you encounter issues, be comfortable with discussing with your team. Brainstorm with your team directly. I can guarantee you that you will find at least 80% of the answers you're looking for. Instead of running helter-skelter and talking to people who are not directly connected to your team and have no idea whatsoever on your team dynamics. So if you are a Scrum Master, you are not talking to your team directly, or you having trust issues, go ahead and start talking to your team directly today. Start asking them directly. When you encounter issues, go to them first. Discuss with them until you're not able to find the answer within, which I can guarantee you that at least 80% of the time, the answer is always within your team. If you still are not able to find the answer, okay, then you can run to external sources. So I hope this video was helpful and hope to talk to you next time. Bye.